everyone, my name is Tasneem Huda and welcome back to our channel where we bring you the best tips and tricks for studying abroad.
A dream to chase, a world to explore. Shiksha study abroad opens the door. From rankings to streams, we've got it all. Your future's waiting, just make the call.
Today's topic is all about German universities that don't require GMAT scores. So if you're dreaming of studying in Germany but dreading the GMAT, stick around because this place is right for you. Germany is home to world-class universities, many of which don't demand a GMAT score for admission. Ready to find out more? Let's dive right in. First on our list is the University of Mannheim. Known for its prestigious business school, the university doesn't require a GMAT score for its Master in Management course. They're more interested in your academic achievements and personal accomplishments. The annual tuition fees at the university starts from 2 lakhs for UG and PG courses and can go up to 33 lakhs Indian rupees. Next up is TUM, one of Germany's top-ranked universities. The university is known for having equal to no tuition fees and goes up till 75,000 Indian rupees along with a high average salary of 1.48 crores. Their management programs focus on innovation and practical experience with no GMAT required. Instead, they look at your professional background and academics. And don't forget Free University Berlin. They offer business-related master programs without a GMAT requirement. Plus, you'll get to experience Berlin's vibrant and diverse student life. Another plus point, the university has no tuition fees. Heidelberg University. It has been ranked 87 in the QS World Rankings 2025 and it is one of Europe's oldest and most prestigious institutions. Many of its management programs focus on academic excellence and GMAT isn't a requirement. The tuition fee is as low as nothing and can go up to 5 lakhs per annum, which is quite affordable for Indian students. Ranked 59th globally, Ludwig Maximilians University of Munich is known for its research-driven management programs. GMAT is optional for specific courses, so check the details before applying. Many of the courses offered here have no tuition fees, and some graduate courses can lead to costing more than 30 lakhs, for which the burden can be reduced through a range of scholarships. Known for its strong business programs, University of Cologne charges minimal fees and doesn't require GMAT for many of its postgraduate courses. These are some of the global rankings of top universities in Germany. To add to this, Mannheim Business School has been ranked 29 according to the Financial Times MBA Business Rankings 2024. So what's your next step? Start by exploring the official websites of these universities. Check their admission criteria, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact their admission offices. Remember, your journey starts with research and a solid application. Now, there are 3 facts that you might not know about applying to German universities. Low or no tuition fees. Most public universities charge little to no tuition, just a small semester contribution covering transport and admin fees. Strict transcript requirements. Transcripts must be officially certified and translated in English or German. Deadlines are non-negotiable. Applications will close early, so make sure that you submit yours on time and there will be no deadline extensions. Here are some quick tips for boosting your application. Learn some German. It will also be a plus even for English programs. Submit your application early so that you avoid missing out on limited seats. Write a compelling motivation letter to stand out from all the other applicants. And that's it for today's video. 6 universities and key tips to make your German university application a success without any GMAT score requirements. German universities offer fantastic opportunities and a GMAT score doesn't have to hold you back. If you found this video helpful, share it with a friend. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on studying abroad. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you guys in the next one. Good luck on your applications. करिए अपने ग्लोबल एजुकेशन की शुरुआत शिक्षा स्टडी अब्रॉड के साथ।